are picking a stock to trade from the next day for your intraday trading, make sure you check out the beta value. Okay, so if the beta. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, in this video, I'll be talking about beta value of a stock. Okay, so this is a very important concept in picking of a stock. Okay, so I'll be telling you how to scan and where is the screener you can find and everything in this video. So I'll be giving you a lot of tricks and tips in this video. So make sure you watch the video till the end to know what is beta and which scanner you should use to pick a correct stock and everything. Okay, and also not only a stock price and a stock volume is important for the volatility of a stock. Okay, a beta of a stock is also important to have a good volatility of the stock. So what is this beta and how to scan for a good beta stocks, all these things will be covered in this video. So make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. Guys, Upstock is giving you free digital gold whenever you sign up using my link given in the description below. Okay, you can go to the link in the description below and open your Upstock account. So once you open your free account, you will get free digital gold of worth rupees 51 to you. Okay, and to open your Demat account, it's completely free. You don't have to pay any fees. You can use the link in the description below and click that link and open your free account today and get your free Demat trading account and free digital gold and also brokerage free investment in stocks, mutual funds, IPO and digital gold and more. Okay, and once you sign up by using the link given in the description below, I'll add you to my Telegram channel where I give you stock information, news and facts about stock market trading. So open the account now by going to the link in the description below of this video. So click the link and open your free account now and also get your free digital gold today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, now let's talk about what is beta. Okay, so let me tell you the basic things about beta and then I'll tell you about a scanner where you can find good beta stocks. Okay, so what is beta? Beta is a measure of a stock's volatility in relation to the overall market. Okay, so it is just one number. Okay, beta is just a value which measures the stock's volatility in relation to the overall market. So this is a calculation of beta. Okay, so beta coefficient is equal to covariance divided by variance, that is covariance of RE/RM divided by variance RM. Okay, so whereas RE, the return on individual stock, and RM is the return on overall market, and covariance how changes in stocks return are related to changes in the market returns, and variance, how far the market data points spread out of their average value. So this is how it is calculated. So you don't have to do the calculation because we already have a screener which will tell the beta value for us. So don't worry. So this is just for information what I said you. This is how the calculation is done. Okay. So beta is a concept that measures the expected move in a stock relative to the movements in overall market. Okay, beta is a good indicator for intraday trades and short-term trades. And there are different types of beta. Okay, so beta value equal to 1 and beta value less than 1 and beta value greater than 1 and negative beta value. Okay, so now you may ask, what is this beta? Is this an indicator or how you can see? Okay, so if you are using a Zerodha account, if you go to fundamentals here, you can see beta value. So this is what we are talking about in this video. So you can see here, so this is the beta value of a stock where you can find. So many people had this question. Okay, so the people who are not trading in Zerodha, how they can find. So in this video I'll be telling you the solution for that. Okay, so there is a other scanner what I found. From there you can select a stock which is the beta value above 1. So why we should select the beta value being above 1, so that I'll tell you now. Okay, so as I said you, these are the types of beta, but in our Indian market we don't have negative beta value stocks. Okay, there are only 3 types of stock, that is beta value equal to 1 and less than 1 and greater than 1. Okay, so these are the 3 types of beta values. So now let's see what they will perform as. Okay, so beta value which is equal to 1. Okay, so if a stock has a beta value of 1, it indicates that its price activity is strongly correlated with the market. That means if the Nifty 50 is moving up, even the stock will also move up. So that's what it means. It will be correlative to the market, to the overall market, how it's performing. Beta value less than 1. So now let's see what happens if the beta value of a stock is less than 1. A beta value that is less than 1 means that the security is theoretically less volatile than this market. That means the stock will be very less volatility than the market. If the market is moving like 1% up, the stock will be half of it. It won't move like how it is moving. It will be less volatility. Beta value greater than 1. A beta that is greater than 1 indicates that the securities price is theoretically more volatile than the market. Okay, so now let's assume the market is 1% up and the stock will be like 5 or 10% up. Okay, so if beta value is more of a stock, so this happens, the greater more than 1 point the beta is, then the stock will be more volatility. Okay, so that's what it means. Okay, so 3 types of beta. In this, what do you have to select? So you have to select always a beta, a stock which is equal to beta 1 or more than 1. Okay, so these are the stocks which you need to concentrate to do intraday trading, because these stocks will give you good movement. And not only giving good movement, if you're doing any kind of a breakout strategy, price action strategy, or any technical strategies, this stocks will help you to work according to the trend and also according to your strategy. And the breakout strategies and the price action strategies will also work good in this kind of stock, that is the beta value being 1 or above 1 stocks. Okay, there are many stocks in our NSE and BSE. So now how to find the stocks which are having beta 1? Okay, so for that I have found out a scanner, okay, which I'll be showing you now. So people who are using Zerodha can easily come here and find the fundamentals of any stock and see the beta value, but many other trading platform don't have this feature. So that's why I found out this scanner. Okay, so this is a very popular website, you guys might know, that is investing.com. so you have to go to in.investing.com as I have shown here. So just go to in.investing.com. After going here, come to tools and come to stock screeners, and after selecting that you have to come here and select here India and select NSE. So if you are doing in NSE, select NSE, and if you are doing in BSE, you can select BSE. So after selecting NSE, come to volume and volatility. Here you can see beta option. Okay, So here what you have to do is, here you just have to drag this. Okay, so beta being above 1. Okay, so beta being above 1, you can just drag here, and this you can leave it to maximum, no issues. And now you can see the stocks. So these are the stocks which are having beta more than 1. So you have this many stocks. Okay, so this many stocks which are having good beta and which are more volatile in that intraday trading. Okay, so this many stocks will help you to get good volatility, good movement, and good price action and technical strategies which will work on them. Okay, so if you choose the less beta value stock, the movement and the volatility will be less. Okay, the stock price may be 1000, 2000, but if the beta value is less than 1, you can see it will be very choppy or it will be going very sideways. So this is the main reason. So I've seen many videos and many articles regarding like how to pick the stocks and everything. They mention everything like they have to use this scanner, that scanner, this breakout and everything, but less people have mentioned about beta. Okay, so that is why I thought of making a video on beta and making a scanner like how to pick a good value beta stocks and also what is beta, so explaining everything in briefly. So I just thought of making this video for you guys about the beta. Okay, so if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video and also share this video if you felt this was very informative for you. Okay, so remember, so whenever you are picking a stock to trade from the next day for your intraday trading, make sure you check out the beta value. Okay, so if the beta value is above 1, then it's very good for you. You're picking a right stock, and that stock what you're picking will have a good movement. And also one more thing is that it will go according to the market trend. Also, if the market is up, that stock also has a chance of going up. Okay, so that is what the beta means. Okay, so always check the beta value before you start to trade in intraday, or if you are planning to hold it for 1 or 2 days or 1 week, for that also you should find a good beta value stock. So why good beta value stock for the intraday or short term? I'll explain you now. Because if you are holding for intraday or a short term, the movement should be very high. That's when you can make good profit, right? So to get good movement, the beta value of a stock should be high. And let's assume you're planning to trade for a long term or hold it for a year or 2 or something like that. For that, you can pick a stock which is less than 1 beta value because you're holding for a long term. Okay, so because those stock will have a slow movement and it can go up to very higher also, and that stock will also have a less risk. Okay, so if you're doing for a long term, then choose a beta value less than 1. Okay, because that in that the volatility will be less and the risk will also be less. Even if the volatility and the movement is less, you're anyway holding for a long term, so in the long run it will come up. Okay, so for long term holding, you should always select the beta value being less than 1. Okay, for intraday or less short term trade, then select the beta value being 1 or above 1. Okay, so this is a little trick and tip about the beta value what you need to find. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video. Okay, and also subscribe to my channel to learn more of the knowledge and tricks like this in upcoming days. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.